Hello kids, welcome to Learn with Rasu. Today we learn colors name. Pink color, orange color, yellow color, dark yellow color, light blue color, light green color, dark blue color, dark green color, brown color, red color, black color and purple color. Let's start. Red color, A for apple, A for apple. Light green color, B for ball, B for ball. Purple color, C for carrot, C for carrot. Brown color, D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for girl, G for girl. H for house, H for house. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for joker. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nest. O for owl, O for owl. P for piano, P for piano. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for ring, R for ring. S for star, S for star. T for tomato, T for tomato. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for village, V for village. W for water, W for water. X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. So kids, What we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. If you like my video, so please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching kids. See you in next video. Till then, bye.